and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Yes, it's a scam. Transport Minister agrees to scam in entry fee collection. It's prudent impact. Dharwekar to sack 9 guilty employees. Union Ministry for Road Transport and Highway clears proposal for new Zuari and Khandepar bridges. Consultant for Galjibagh and Tarpan bridge by September. IFFI to have special space for northeastern states and Goan films. Steering committee meeting held on Tuesday. Focus on film fraternity from Japan and Italy. High school teachers agitate as government decide to recover extra paid salary to them. Teachers decide to boycott Teachers' Day functions. And Nike Memorial All India Open Rapid Chess in Madgaon from Saturday. Prizes of over 60,000 rupees on offer. And now the news in detail. Transport Minister Sudhin Dharwekar has finally admitted of a scam in entry fee collection on check post. Prudent had exposed the scam few days back. Dharwekar said that his department officials went to Karnataka and unearthed the facts. He further confirmed that 9 employees were stealing around 50,000 rupees every day. All 9 employees will be sacked within 15 days.
Transport Minister Sudhin Dharwekar has admitted that 9 employees at Mole checkpost were involved in a scam of evading entry fee. They were not issuing challans to the vehicles entering into the state. Around 50,000 rupees were gulped down by these 9 employees every day. Prudent had exposed the scam few days back.
जे स्कॅम जाला तातूंत 9 भुरगे आमकां सापडिल्ले आसा. ताचेर एक्शन येता ते 15 दिसांत घेतले. जो रिपोर्ट आमी कर्नाटकांत जे रजिस्ट्रेशन मागिल्लें खंयच्यो खंयच्यो गाडयो खंय खंय रजिस्टर आसा ताजो रिपोर्ट आमच्या इंजिनियरा कडेन पावला. येता त्या 15 दिसां भितर हे सगळे भुरग्यांक घरा धाडलेले गेले वतले.
पण रेव्हेन्यू वाढला.
रेव्हेन्यू जवळ जवळ 50,000 रुपये वाढलो. त्या नंतर ह्या स्पेसिफिक्स जो मोले भाग आसा थंय 50,000चो रेव्हेन्यू वाडिल्लो आसा.
Minister said that as a precautionary measure, his engineers will submit him a daily report on entry fees collection tallied with CCTV files.
पूण ह्या भुरग्यांनी ते केल्ले ना. ते मागीर म्हजे कॉस्टिट्युएन्सीचे आसूं आमच्या गणेश गांवकाराचे कॉस्टिट्युएन्सी आसूं किंवा प्रियोळ किंवा फोंडा मतदारसंघातले आसूं हे जे कोणी कितें केलां ते घरा वतले इतलेंच हांव हांगा सांगता.
सो आतां कितें प्रिकॉशन घेतला तुमी?
प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर आमी जे घेतला ते आमी आतां जे आमची CCTV कॅमेराज आसा तातूंतल्यान सगळ्यो गोश्टी आमकां डे टू डेचो रिपोर्ट सांजचो आमचो जो ज्युनियर इंजिनियर आनी एसिस्टंट इंजिनियर आसा तो पळयता आनी जी गाडी येता त्या गाडयेचे नंबर काडले गेले वता.
Government has decided to tighten the system as the scam was carried out in broad daylight in spite of installation of CCTVs. Prudent has highlighted how the clandestine activity leads to huge revenue leakage for the state. Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Union Ministry for Road Transport and Highways has cleared proposals for new Zuari and Khandepar bridges. PWD Minister Sudhin Dharwekar said that tenders for the bridges will be floated within a month once the detailed project report is ready. Zuari Bridge will be constructed within 2.5 years, while Khandepar Bridge will take 2 years once the work orders are issued. Process to appoint consultants for Galjibagh and Talpona Bridge will start in September.
Zuari Bridge from Akshi to Kuttali आणि दुसरो Khandepar Bridge. Government of India, Union Ministry हे दोन्ही ब्रिज घेवपाक होकार दिल्लो आसा आणि ह्या दोन्ही ब्रिजाचे जी कन्सल्टन्सी सर्वीस आसा ती आजूच वर्तमानपत्रार फ्लोट जाल्ली आसा. येता त्या 2 म्हयन्यांत ही कन्सल्टन्सी सर्विसेचे वर्क DPR तयार करपा खातीर आमी दिले गेले वतले. जाचो कॉस्ट जुवारी ब्रिजाचो अरावंड 5 crores आसा आणि जो आमचो खांडेपार ब्रिज आसा अरावंड 1.09 crores आसा. जेन्ना हो ब्रिज DPR तयार जातलो त्या DPR नंतर विदीन 1 month हे टेंडर फ्लोट जातलें आणि हे फ्लोट जाले नंतर जो आमचो खांडेपार ब्रिज आसा तो 1.5 वर्सांत आमी कंप्लीट करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो आणि जुवारीचो ब्रिज टेंडर वर्क ऑर्डर दिले नंतर 3.5 yearsant कंप्लीट जातलो.
Meanwhile, MLA of Kankon and Sports Minister Ramesh Tawardkar inspected Galjibagh and Tarpan stretch. He has sought a report from the PWD officials on proposed Galjibagh bridge and 4-laning of the roads. Reporter Vivek Prabhu with reporter from Kankon, Babesh Borkar.
This time, IFFI will have special space for northeastern states and for the films with Goan flavor. The steering committee meeting was held on Tuesday at Kala Academy. The focus for this year would be towards attracting film fraternity from Japan, Italy and African continent.
The steering committee meeting of IFFI was held at Kala Academy on Tuesday. IFFI Director Shankar Mohan, ESG Vice Chairman Vishnu Wagh, officials from Information and Broadcasting Ministry, Chief Secretary B. Vijayan were present for meeting. Shankar Mohan said that the International Film Festival of India this year will focus on films from the northeastern states and a special space for the films with Goa flavor.
इस साल गोवा सरकार और अच्छे सजेशंस दिए हैं कि कोंकणी सिनेमा को ज़्यादा बढ़ावा देना है, तो ये तो बहुत अच्छा सुझाव है और इसको हम लोग भी चाहते हैं कि ये एक्सपोजर हो कि कोंकणी सिनेमा इस मंच पे आ जाए. Around about the same number of entries this year also. We have already got more than 400 entries by now. Country focus, we are looking at Japan, we are looking at Italy, we are looking at the entire African continent. So these are some of the areas that we are working on.
Wagh said that history of Konkani cinema right from 1960s till date would be displayed during the festival.
I should have a chance to see what has been produced in Goa so far and what Goa is doing in the arena of films.
So special.
This was one of the major demands which has been listened to. All other things we have sorted out, how we are going to cooperate, what sort of thing we are doing. It's all with this.
कोकणी films कशे करता है special rate.
गोंयान जाल्ली films जी आसा आज मेरेनची. आमचं एक सेक्शन असतलें. आमकां फायनलाइज करूं जाय सगळें. I am only giving you a broad
line they have accepted.
Broad outline.
One section on films produced
in Goa.
IFFI 2013 will also have a strong participation of foreign films. Festival will showcase over 800 movies produced across more than 70 countries. Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
An option to accommodate both NEET pass-out candidates and internal pass-out candidate for PG courses at Goa Medical College does not seem possible. Medical Council of India has stated before the Supreme Court that Goa Medical College does not have enough infrastructure to increase number of seats for its PG courses. The Supreme Court has adjourned the hearing for 22nd of August. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.